Hey, so today I'm going to talk about the myth of a 20% down payment when purchasing a home. Scraping together a down payment for a home is tough, especially in today's market. But one persistent myth could be making it harder than it needs to be. According to NerdWallet's 2025 Homebuyer Report, 62% of Americans believe you need a 20% down payment. But that's not true. And that misunderstanding could be holding a lot of buyers back. The report also says that a third of non homeowners say not having enough for a down payment is keeping them from buying. That's a problem because you have more options than you might think. Now, there are some reasons someone might want to put 20% down, like a lower monthly payment, no PMI, and better rates, but it's not required. In fact, the median down payment is under 20%. And for first time home buyers, it's usually around 9%, according to the National Association of Realtors. Even 60% of current homeowners think 20% is the rule. But here's some perspective. Back in the 1990s, a 20% down payment on the average home was about 80% of a typical household's income. Today, that same down payment would take 100% or more of the average income. No wonder most buyers aren't putting down 20%. So, how low can you actually go? Let's talk about loan programs. With just 3% down, you can go with a conventional loan. This loan is typically for buyers with good credit, 620 or higher, and stable income. Your debt to income ratio should be between 43 and 45%. With 3.5% down, you can go with an FHA loan. This loan is good for first-time home buyers and those with lower credit scores, 580 or higher, and smaller down payment availability. Your debt to income ratio can be as high as 50%. With 0% down, you can have a VA or a USDA loan. These are more specific loans, and you do have to qualify based on your eligibility. Just know that with all these loans come PMI, or private mortgage insurance. It's usually rolled into your monthly payment, and it's on the average of a couple of $100s per month. But the good news is, with a conventional loan, you can ask to remove PMI once you hit 20% equity. Now, larger down payments are still great if you can afford them. You'll owe less, possibly get a better rate, and have more equity in the home from day one. But smaller down payments let you hold on to more cash. That's super helpful for surprise repairs, buying things for your new home, or just having an emergency fund as a new homeowner. So the big takeaway, you don't need 20% down to buy a home. If you're planning to buy this year, don't let that old myth stop you. You might be closer than you think. Have questions about what programs you qualify for? I'd love to help you sort through the options. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.